Our camp is ready. Now we'll prepare our lunch. Ayushman, let's get started. Ayushman is helping Mama. See? Yeah. That is rechargeable motor, right? Dispenser, water dispenser. Do you know what you are preparing?
Khichdi.
Hey, not khichdi.
Veg biryani.
Veg
Today
biryani.
Veg biryani.
Because Ayushman don't like khichdi, that's why we are preparing veg biryani.
Yeah.
Huh?
I can do that.
Ayushman, you need to be little faster, Ayushman. Huh? वो ब्यूटेन का छोटा सिलेंडर आता है, वो 2 घंटा चलता है. हाँ, ये क्या है, छोटा सा है ना, तो हमारा कार में भी पीछे सेटअप किया है, तो कार में भी हम कुक कर सकते हैं. अंदर अंदर मतलब बाहर ऐसा निकलता है, ड्रॉर है. हाँ हाँ.
Oh, what is the channel's name?
लाइफ टू एक्सप्लोर. लाइफ न्यूमेरिक 2 मतलब 2 नंबर एक्सप्लोर. लाइफ टू एक्सप्लोर. So our lunch is ready. We will have it now, and after that we will see in the evening where we can visit. I think there is a temple in the hilltop. Hopefully that will be open. We'll go and check it out. Let's see. Let's quickly finish our lunch. Veg biryani ready, man. Too hot, man.
Yesterday night elephant came, na?
Yeah. Yesterday night it came till there.
Till there they told. But anyway, electric fence is there. Hopefully no problem.
No, not the
Other
elephant.
than we 3 gone up. No. Here only.
Yeah. The elephant will stamp that electric fence and come. This one.
Ayushman is asking for food, but we should not feed, okay, wild animals.
Yeah.
See another peacock calling. So we are going to Vibhuti Murugan temple. So from Masinagudi it's I think approximate 4 kilometers. So we hire a jeep which will take you to the top of the hill. Top of the mountain there is a small temple. Yeah, we are seeing this one deers right everywhere, Ayushman. Ayushman saw one deer as well. Okay, and the sunset view will be amazing in the Vibhuti Murugan temple. And Ayushman wanted to go in jeep only because he like off-road. Full cloud cover. It's Nilgiris mountain, Nilgiris range. See, from here the off-road starts. There we'll go. Ayushman, you are able to see that? See? There we'll go. Beautiful place. Full of off-road, Ayushman. After a full off-road drive, we reach to the top. This is Murugan temple, na, sir? Murugan temple, yeah. So you can enjoy panoramic view of the entire Masinagudi area and overlooking Nilgiris mountain range. So that side Ooty and Ooty mountain range actually. That side full cloud cover. Wonderful place actually. and you should visit here at least in the evening, right? You should spend time and you can enjoy sunset. We came little early, but the drive was awesome actually. Aishman liked it because he loved off-road. So you enjoy the cinematic view of this place. We'll spend some time, after that we'll go back. Okay. Okay, so time to go back. We spent almost 30 minutes here. Such an amazing place. If you are visiting Mashinagudi, right, don't miss this. They take 600 rupees, the jeep safari, not safari, till this mountain top, Murugan temple. Safari cost is separate. They take you to the Moria Dam, I believe. And definitely in the evening or morning you will spot wildlife. आज मैं विंडोजिट We came back from Bibhuti Murugan temple after a nice off-road drive. We thought of going in our own vehicle to Moyar Dam, because if you are at Mashinagudi, you should visit these two places because that is a kind of different theme, hilltop temple, and this one is a kind of safari. Basically the jeep safari, right, they also take you to this Moyar Dam only. So we thought, okay, let's drive because we have time still, and since this is evening time, we may spot some wild animal. Let's see. We spotted a peacock now. Let me show you. Again we spotted a peacock. See, looks like there are many peacocks. Again two more. See? Wow. Even last time when we visited, we saw many peacocks, and deers are everywhere. That's why we are not taking pictures of deers. Long time back we spotted here bison and wild boar and things like that, but nowadays it's very difficult to spot those animals here. We reached Moyar Dam. You see, Ashman, left side. This is Moyar Dam. So there is nothing much in Moyar Dam, so we came back after spending just 10 minutes. The only thing is you will experience a drive through forest by visiting this place, and the chances of spotting wildlife will be more if you are visiting on morning or in the evening. So that's why even we came here, though we couldn't spot any wildlife. Yeah, apart from this peacock and deers, common. Those are common. Definitely will spot for sure. Okay, so let's go back to the campsite. We'll experience the whole night camping. It will be a different one. Definitely will be a different experience. Okay, let's go back. peacock only, yeah. Okay. Yes. So we just came back from Moya Dam, getting darker. So for dinner, right, we will have it here only in the restaurant. We are not going to cook. It's a beautiful place, man. There are so many peacocks around. Near our camp only, so many peacocks. What, Aishman?
Yeah, I saw them.
Huh?
It was five to six peacocks.
5 to 6 peacocks,
They
huh?
were roaming here, one was on the road also.
Yeah, so many peacocks. Even while returning from Moya Dam also, we
Yeah.
saw so many peacocks, right?
Peacocks and deers.
Yeah, lots of deers, and also we spotted a few wild boar. I think
Yeah,
5 to
those
6
big
wild boars and one big one, right?
Yeah,
One big
one.
male wild boar, black color,
Hey,
with the horns. Yes, not sure I can run away. Hey, see. Are you guys able to see? There is a peacock around. See?
Come, go little more near. The fence is come here.
Running.
Awesome.
See? So before going to bed only we had a thrilling experience. Just 50 meters away, after the electric fence only, we saw a elephant crossed. And all the people around, they are just making noise and bursting crackers. So we were not expecting, because generally very often they should not come, this elephant. Yesterday this property owner told that yesterday elephant came, so we thought okay, maybe again it will come after a few days. But anyway, this is a forest area, guys. There's no guarantee. What, Aishman? Did you saw that?
Yeah, I saw that
Did you see that?
shadow. I saw its shadow.
It's a shadow only complete, because of the tree house light only we could see. Otherwise it was not visible at all. We wouldn't have known if elephant crossed or not crossed also.
Yeah, and the buffaloes were running front.
Yeah, buffaloes, I think those are domestic buffaloes only, not wild buffaloes. They run first, and behind that this elephant was going.
Yeah, it was running so fast.
Oh man, looks like we are not going to sleep in the tent. We will move to our caravan. Right? At least metal protection is there, right, Aishman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. After dinner we will see. So dinner time, we are just going to have dinner. So night no cooking. Okay, morning Aishman help a lot. Yeah, good. Thanks Aishman. Ha. Okay. Bas, okay, give me. Aishman, Mama will have veg. Aishman and Papa will have non-veg, chicken. Okay, for us no Saturday, no Sunday. For us every day is Sunday. So Aishman, you saw so many wildlife today, huh?
Yeah, peacocks and deers and one elephant running near here.
And what about the peacocks near our tent?
Yeah.
So many, right?
Yeah.
Excellent.
One was here only, fully near.
Okay. Excellent. So what we'll do, Aishman, we will sleep now. Okay?
Yeah.
We had a yummy dinner, now we'll sleep. And tomorrow we need to go back to our home early, because we need to reach early as well. Okay?
Yeah.
So guys, good night.
Good
See you
night.
tomorrow morning. Aishman.
What?
Morning, Aishman. 6:30. Let's get up.
Yeah.
Okay. Aishman,
What?
how is the feeling? Very nice, right?
Yeah.
Got very good sleep. Entire night full of peacock sound.
Yeah.
See, now also. A lot of peacock.
It's stopped.
Okay, Aishman, we need to get ready and need to go back to Bangalore. Okay.
Good morning, guys. It was a nice experience. Anyway, for us, this is not the first time, but yeah, for Aishman and Aishman Mama, it's first time in tent. But we camped a lot of time in our camper van in random locations, but that time I was not vlogging. Anyway, guys, let me show you where exactly we saw the elephant yesterday night, so that you will get an idea of the property. So let me show you that. So you see this tree house, right? So in this tree house just below, if you notice, right, tree house is anyway after this electric fence. Okay, are you able to see this electric fence? After this electric fence and just below the tree house, this elephant just ran away like this. Okay, along with I think 5-10 buffaloes, domestic buffaloes. So that's why we got little scared, but anyway it's okay. Generally they don't come inside of the electric fence. Time to pack up. We are getting late. We need to head back to Bangalore. Even I need to freshen up. And yeah, it's a 5 hours journey from Bangalore to 50 kilometer. And so for this vlog, that's all. Okay, we will meet you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.